Hello friends, I hope all are you doing fine and having fantastic day. Today as part of my job I had been to a doctor and that doctor lady had prescribed L-arginine to one of the patients. So there is L-arginine product in our Vestige business. So I gathered some information which is useful for you. Lot of information which will save you a lot of time and energy, and most of the people who are not out of medical knowledge background, so they cannot understand even what is right or not when they read some article or listen to a video. So I gather some useful points and try to explain in a brief simple manner, so it will be understandable for even layman, which is the case with most of the people. Before that, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel, and if you find the information useful, please share in your Facebook groups and WhatsApp groups, and pass on to the people who need the information most, because what I am giving the information is very useful. I spend a lot of time gathering the information to save energy and time for you people, and see that you people understand simplified manner, so that you can explain others. Our Vestige business is mainly a duplicable business, so it should be easy to understand for us, and it should be very easy to be able to explain to others. So that is how the system of Vestige business is, right? So I try to help in that part for you people. So kindly you people subscribe to my channel and share the videos, and like and comment. It will help me a lot and encourage me. I invite all of you people to join me in the Vestige business, and we can discuss further in other products also about Vestige products and business plan, how to get benefit of the business, how to help others, how to achieve financial freedom, how to achieve passive income, how to help achieve wonderful health, beautiful lifestyle, foreign trips, and car income, house fund, travel fund, a light fund. There are so many ways of income generated through Vestige business. So I request all of you to be a part with me, and let us all together get benefited. And coming to the L-arginine product, I am going to give few information which I gathered. Vestige L-arginine comes in beautiful sachets, which you have to take in 200 ml of water or juice, mix it thoroughly and drink. Only one sachet is recommended per day. Only when essential, take another sachet, but do not cross it. There are some other cautions also I will discuss later. Vestige L-arginine packets are a mixture of antioxidants, vitamins, L-arginine which releases nitric oxide, which helps in relaxation of the blood vessels and helps in cardiovascular system blood circulation improvement, which in turn helps in hypertension and blood flow blockages, helps to improve the blood circulation and tingling and nailing sensation. So many conditions due to poor blood flow conditions, so there you will get relaxation. And it is also helpful in inflammatory conditions, like inflammation means pain. When you get hurt, you get redness and pain and swelling, that is called inflammation. So it will help in that condition. And you have gone through any disease or any ill health, it will help you in recovering very fast to your normal health. Allergen, Vestige allergen I am saying. And it will help women in menopause, it will help in cardiovascular function. And one more thing mainly which I have discussed previously, like the lady doctor had prescribed L-arginine because of it will helps in sexual dysfunction, erectile dysfunction, and some sperm count improvement and sexual related issues. It will help a lot. Vestige L-arginine also helps in diabetes and inflammatory conditions, chronic pain conditions, cholesterol management, fitness and endurance, athletics, immunity boosting, helps to reduce aging effects. Altogether so many so many factors are involved. It will act in different levels which we don't know also. I mean, who are well, like doctors, they know. Normal people like us, we may not know. If you don't have any prior heart attack, you can take it. It will prevent further in future prevention of heart attack. It will avoid occurrence of heart attack in future. If you already have an heart attack, you have to take with the advice of a doctor only, and you have to not take if you are having asthma or severe asthma. For that, noni and other products are there. Respocare, noni. Just I'm telling in brief. It should not be taken with some certain viral conditions. It is not advisable in that say in conditions. And pregnant women and lactating women who are giving breast milk to their children, they should also not take this product, L-arginine. If you are having any severe conditions like kidney problem or liver problem, any severe condition, please avoid. Only take under doctor supervision. Any supplement, these are helpful to prevent occurrence of any problem in our body and improve our health. But in case of severe conditions, we have to approach doctors. This L-arginine sachet contains L-arginine, grape grape extracts, lycopene, resveratrol, which helps to reduce bad cholesterol and boosts antioxidants in your body. Grapeseed extracts are also rich in antioxidants. Beet juice has chemical nitrate. Vitamin K2 helps to keep the calcium content within the bones and moves out of your blood vessels. Vitamin D2 helps in absorption of calcium and cardiovascular functions and in inflammation conditions. So that's in brief. I've given you a lot of useful information. So definitely this is helpful for many people. Please share to those for whom it is beneficial, and please subscribe to the channel, and please contact me and join me in this process of vestige business. And I suggest you to use other products also, like cooking oil and similar other supplements are there. Based on the need and based on the condition, we have to suggest. So please contact me, and we can discuss which is the most beneficial combination for the particular person, like based on the budget, based on the health condition. So what they are already taking, or how many days they are taking, how many months. So how to get most of the benefits. What are the combinations we can suggest to them. So many factors are there. It needs a lot of learning, which I upgrade myself constantly. Let us build a strong team. Wish you all great health and wealth. And I have seen recently LinkedIn post, like some of the biggest groups, they are saying 2021 is also going to be a rough situation. So we need to, for those who are in need of an opportunity, this is a good opportunity. So I request and suggest you can join me, because if there is any other opportunity for you, it's okay. you can use the products and get the health benefits. If you don't have any other source, like if you cannot invest or if you cannot learn new courses, invest money, business like that, so this is a great opportunity, Vestige business. You can you are becoming a franchisee of the so many thousands of branches of Vestige company, and you can build a strong team and business, help others, also generate money. So that's in brief. Thank you all.